Hello everybody, welcome to Royal Kitchen. Today I will show you how to cook green chilli dal. For that I have taken 10 green chillis, 2 large tomatoes, 1 cup of red gram, washed and soaked red gram, 5 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoonful of black gram, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoonful of cumin seeds, curry leaves, red chillies, coriander leaves, fenugreek leaves, 2 to 3 inch of tamarind washed and soaked, 1 onion cut into pieces. Firstly, we have to take a pressure cooker. On the gas stove, add red gram, tomatoes, green chillies, we have to add a small spoonful of turmeric powder, to this we have to add 1 large glass of water, add the cut onions, tamarind. Now we have to close the lid of the pressure cooker. Keep the flame in high and cook the red gram up to 6 whistles. Let us check whether our dal is cooked or not. Slowly we have to release the pressure of the pressure cooker. See, our dal is cooked or not. Dal is cooked well. Now we have to add the fenugreek leaves to it. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix them well. Now we have to mash the dal. We should not cook the fenugreek leaves because they will lose their vitamins and minerals if we overcook them. We have to mash the dal with a wooden stick into a smooth paste. This is our mashed dal. Let us keep it in a low flame for 2 minutes and let the fenugreek leaves to cook for 2 minutes. Till then we will take a tadka pan on the gas stove, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Here I am using Figaro olive oil. So I am using Figaro olive oil. To this we have to add chopped garlic cloves, mustard seeds, black gram. Stir them well. Have to cover the lid. Let them splutter. Stir them on and off. So that they will not burn. Fry them till golden brown color. Now we have to add red chillies to it. Stir them again. Now add cumin seeds. Slowly we have to add one after the other, otherwise they will burn out. Mustard seeds, garlic and black pepper takes more time to fry. Red chillies, cumin and curry leaves takes a very little time. Now we have to, some spluttering sound is coming out. Now we have to turn off the gas stove. Now we have to add the curry leaves to it. If we add the curry leaves after turning off the flame, they will not lose their green color and aroma also. Let them cool for some time. Now we have to check the dal. Mix the dal. Let it cook for some more time. Here I am keeping it. Let the fenugreek leaves cook for 1 whistle. Now let us check whether our fenugreek leaves are cooked or not. Now we have to open the lid of the pressure cooker. They are cooked well. Now we have to add the coriander leaves to it. Again we have to mash the dal. This is our mashed dal. Now we have to transfer the entire dal into a serving bowl. Now add the tadka to the dal. add some coriander leaves also. Now our red gram green chilli dal is ready to taste. I hope all of you would like my recipe. If you cook in this method, you can't lose any vitamins and minerals from the recipe. Please get the entire benefit of your cooking. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.